This is the First Responder Program at Pioneer Career and Technology Center. Are you ready to make a difference when it matters most? Our program prepares you for an exciting and rewarding career in public safety. Gain hands-on experience in emergency medical services, fire rescue, dispatch, and public safety, learning real-world skills that save lives. You'll train in CPR and first aid, patient assessment, scene management, and emergency communication, all while earning industry credentials. From firefighter and EMT to dispatcher or military service, you'll graduate ready for the next step, whether it's entering the workforce or continuing your education with college credits. If you're passionate about helping others and wanting a career with purpose, this is where your journey begins. Become a first responder and someone's hero.
Hi, I'm Mr. Thompson. I'm the instructor for the First Responder Program here at Pioneer. I have a degree in education. I also have certifications in fire and EMS instruction, firefighter 2, advanced EMT, and fire inspections. In this course, it's very hands-on. We're going to be doing mostly fire and EMS, and also dab a little bit in dispatch and touch a little bit on police work.
Hello, my name is Riley Blevins. I go to Pioneer for the First Responders Program. We learn how to be a firefighter and a lot of other things as first responders. We have learned how to roll hose and use the fire hydrant as well. I like Pioneer because it is very hands-on and fun to learn here, as well as giving a lot of team bonding.